Leia Arevalo, The Little Miss Slide 2005. Looking back, the day I became Little Miss Slide was a day of pride and honor for me and for my family. My being Little Miss Slide has motivated me to become a better person. The title has also encouraged me to excel in